But this one seems to be okay. See how thick the flush is? Really hard to remove. Okay, I'm going to leave a little skin on so I can hold it. Okay, so in Orinoco, when they're at this stage, they're starting yellow, you could eat and you could freeze them. They make great shakes and you could cook bread and stuff with them. They're great. But they're also a cooking banana. When they're a little bit green before they turn yellow, you can cut them. They're not as soft, they're a little stiff, and you can fry them or cook them any way you want. So, when they're at this stage, they taste really good. They have a unique taste. They're not like an ice cream or anything like that, but they still taste good. Okay, so I went ahead and removed the praying hands. You can see it's a good size one. This one over here maybe where the sun hit it overripe maybe, and down here might be good and then nice and soft. So let's just go ahead and peel one off. You can see they're shaped like a baseball glove or praying hands, like somebody praying. See that? So the way you got to do it is you got to peel them. Unfortunately, when you peel them, that's the skin to the one next to it. Smells good. When you peel them, they break open. So, smells good. These are perfect right now for shakes or for bacon. This one's nice and soft. When they're this ripe, it sort of has the texture of pudding, and it kind of tastes like a vanilla pudding. Wow, that's really good. I'm eating it in the skin because I was working, my hands are dirty, otherwise I would just hold it. Wonderful. So all the rest of these, I'm going to bring them in the house and peel them and freeze them. And even though this one's turning yellow right here, you can see it's turning yellow. It's still not soft to the touch, so you gotta let it go a little bit more. Okay, I gotta get to work.